Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Prada. Today we're going over variables in PHP. Now I did some fast forward setup here, that way we don't have to go through the whole process. And what I simply did was just add the PHP file into the WAMP folder there. So I can just right click and edit it with Notepad. Now in order to declare a variable, we use the $ symbol in this case. We use the $ followed by what we want to call the variable. We'll set that equal to the string Miguel, and we'll have that print out to the web page. Now the important part here to remember here, for strings such as letters, we have to put those in quotation marks. And don't forget the semicolons at the end right there. It's very important, otherwise you'll have a parsing error. Now we'll just simply go back to here and click on that, and we'll see it pops up and it gets called forth. And if you control U it, you don't see the source code either. Thank you for watching.